Hi y'all! I'm back with something that I am super passionate about, and that would be nothing other than food, of course. So if you've been following me for a little while, you know that I have a super bad soy allergy, and I'm also allergic to peanuts and tree nuts. Not only does this allergy just absolutely control everything in my life, from beauty products, hair products, to what I eat, and even where I go, because I have to plan ahead to make sure that there's something I can eat. It is an endless job to try to make sure that I can basically survive. But there are great brands out there that are making tremendous efforts to make sure that people like me with food allergies have plenty of delicious food and snacks to eat. And so that's why I have this video to show you this huge present I got from one of those companies. My friends at Kinnikinnick sent me this absolutely gigantic box of food, and I am going to show you what is inside. And what's so amazing about Kinnikinnick is it's nut, peanut, soy, dairy, and gluten-free. And it's free of preservatives, artificial flavors, and artificial colors. And I am so excited to share this with everyone because it's gonna be so delicious, and I'm so happy to find a brand that cares about people like me and you who have food allergies. And they know it's not always easy to find food that's safe and delicious and you can just take with you to go, or just make it in a snap like that. And that's why I'm so excited to show these all off to you. Now I've already opened it because some of it needed to be put in the freezer and I didn't want it to go bad. There is no tape to remove. It has already been removed. But let's see what's in the box. The first item, we have these beautiful flatbread crusts. Now these are free from gluten, wheat, dairy, peanuts, tree nuts, and soy. And so is the facility that they make these. I am super excited because finding soy-free pizza crust is like absolutely impossible, and I'm so excited to try this. I like that it's flatbread, so I'm going to make so many delicious pizzas with this, and I will show you guys my personal favorite pizza recipe for these, and I will taste test them in a soon to come video. The next item that we have, these vanilla glazed donuts. These look so freaking good. These look like the Entenmann's donuts. I personally love that these are frozen. The flatbread is frozen too. You want to keep that in the freezer. But these are frozen as well. They are gluten-free, nut-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and peanut-free. And there are 4 different types of donuts that they offer. I haven't had a vanilla glazed donut in probably close to 10 years now, so I'm super excited to try this. It also has no preservatives, artificial flavors, or artificial colors. That's amazing. Also, you can put these in the microwave for like 10 to 15 seconds and they get all nice and warm and gooey, and I imagine they're gonna be delicious. We are gonna try all of these in a taste test video in the future, so make sure to like stick around, subscribe, follow, do whatever you have to do to make sure that you don't miss those because they are going to be amazing. Now, I have tried a couple of things from Kinnikinnick already, and I am absolutely in love with the things I've tried. And a product that I've already tried are these, the chocolate glazed donuts. Let me tell you, I have had these both frozen and in the microwave, and they are amazing. They are so good. They taste like donuts that just came off the line after being fried at like Dunkin' Donuts or Krispy Kreme. They are so good, but they are like a way healthier alternative. Again, these are gluten, wheat, dairy, peanut, tree nut, and soy-free. No preservatives, no artificial flavors, and no artificial colors. Continuing with our donut trend, we have these maple glazed donuts. How delicious do these look? These look so good. I've never had a maple glazed donut, but I do love maple syrup. So I have a feeling I'm going to absolutely love these. Again, free from gluten, wheat, dairy, peanuts, tree nuts, and soy. No preservatives, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors. I'm like actually so super psyched to try these because I've never tried a maple donut ever before. So I'm like really excited, really pumped. Next, we have probably my favorite thing from Kinnikinnick. These are their KinniTOOS. I hope I am saying that right, but I do have a tendency to mess up the pronunciation on a lot of things. But I love these. They are chocolate sandwich cream cookies. If you've ever had an Oreo, these taste exactly like Oreos. And you may be thinking, how do you know that? Because Oreos have soy in them. Well, I've only been allergic to soy for it'll be 10 years this spring. So I know how everything tastes that has all the allergens in it. I used to eat stuff all of the time, and I still remember what Oreos taste like, and I crave Oreos all of the time, and I can never have them. And let me tell you, these are the absolute best. Like, I cannot express to you how good they are unless you try them yourselves. We'll do a taste test on it so you can see my honest reaction, but they are good by themselves. They are like a crunchy cookie by themselves. Dipped in milk, they're like crazy good. Put in ice cream, crazy good. And then also, and this is gonna sound very strange, but if you like leave the box open and you just kind of like let it sit for about half a day, 12 hours, something like that, and it just kind of like, I guess what would become stale, these are like the best thing in the world. I don't know what it is, but leaving them out makes them taste even better. Like, I'm always so excited for the last cookie in here because the last cookie always tastes the absolute best. These things are crazy good. Next we have something that I am so incredibly psyched to try. This I am so excited to try. I've never tried it, and I haven't had animal crackers in, I want to say 13 or 14 years, so it's been a hot minute. So this is the KinniKritters. Look how good these look. So they are graham style animal crackers, and gluten, nut, soy, dairy, and peanut free. No artificial flavors, no artificial colors, and no preservatives, no GMOs. Goodness gracious, they look so cute too. There's elephants, bison, and I think a horse. These are gonna be so delicious. I can't even, I've never had these, and they just look so good. Like, oh, this is amazing. Next, we have these KinniKritters. Again, some more animal crackers, and these are chocolates, which I am so excited for because I used to eat Teddy Grahams, and I had the chocolate ones, and I loved them, and so I am so excited to try these ones. They are going to be so delicious. I already know. I'm like, I don't know what it is about these chocolate ones, but these chocolate ones, I have, my expectations for these are like a 10 out of 10, maybe even more. I am psyched. Oh, almost just fell over. Next, we have these KinniTOOS, but they are fudge sandwich cream cookies. So they're like an Oreo cookie, but instead of the vanilla cream in the middle, it's gonna be a fudge flavor, and I've never had these. Even with the like original type of Oreo, when they had a chocolate middle, I've never tried it. So this is something that I've never tried in my life. I'm so excited to try it, and I like love any type of like cookie. I'm a big cookie fanatic. But bam, next we have vanilla wafers. I have had these before, and let me tell you, these did not last a day in my house. This package gives you so many too. I don't know if it says that there's like about roughly 40 cookies in here. This didn't last a day in my house. I sat there and I just kept eating these. These are fantastic. If you've ever had Nella wafers, these are like 100 times better than Nella wafers, and I love Nella wafers, but there's something about these that they're just like, they have so much more flavor, and they are fantastic. Okay, this next product I am excited for, not only because I know it's gonna taste amazing, but because to find a product like this is extremely rare. It is so hard to find these soy-free. Now, I don't look too much for gluten-free options because I can have gluten, but normally a lot of soy-free options are also gluten-free, and I don't know if these are hard to find for gluten-free people out there, but for soy-free people, I can't ever find them. So when I saw these, I was like, thank goodness, I'm so excited. So without further ado, I have Smoreables, shareable s'mores. So these are graham cracker style cookies that you can make s'mores with. Now, I love graham cracker cookies all on their own. Like, I'll just eat a graham cracker. That to me is like a snack and a half. I love it. But what's really cool about this is it has a whole recipe on how to make s'mores, both indoors and outdoors. And it says this makes 14 s'mores, and you know what we're gonna be doing later? We're gonna be making ourselves some s'mores, and they're gonna be delicious. So, yeah. Next, we're going into things that, again, so super hard to find soy-free. So what is the product you're asking? It is cake mix. Yes, cake mix. I am so excited. I love myself a good cake, and this is white cake mix, and I cannot wait to try this because I freaking love baking and I love cakes. I love decorating. So I'm really excited. And on this, it tells you also how to make a vanilla butter cream icing, which I think is really useful because it's, again, hard to find soy-free frostings. So I'm excited to try this. I'm gonna bake a cake. You guys are gonna come along with me. Next, and one of my go-to favorites, pancake and waffle mix. These are gonna be delicious and we're gonna have a pancake party. I love making pancakes. They are the best. I actually have never made a waffle and I don't have a waffle maker, but we are gonna make the heck out of some pancakes. And I have freshly picked blueberries, so we can add blueberries into them and they are gonna be absolutely fantastic. Yay! And last but certainly not the least, we have this guy. These are sugar cookie mix. Absolutely love making sugar cookies. Anytime it's like a new season or a holiday coming up, I always make sugar cookies and decorate them. So I think what would be fun is if we do a very early Valentine's Day cookie video. So I will be using this cookie mix and we'll be trying it out and making some delicious cookies. So that was it of my giant, fantastic unboxing haul video from Kinnikinnick. All the products from Kinnikinnick are free of gluten, nuts, dairy, peanuts, and soy. So if you have one of those allergies, you are good to go here. You will be okay. Big thanks to Kinnikinnick for sending me all this delicious food. Thank you, Kinnikinnick, so much for making this food, caring about people like me who have food allergies, and just for making the world more safe and more delicious. Make sure to check out their website. I'll have it linked below and their social medias. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And remember to subscribe and share this video so that people like me and you and anyone else with food allergies can find this option and go out and buy it today and have a delicious, safe treat. Also, make sure to stick around so that you can see taste test videos. Until next time, love you. Bye.